guys, welcome back to Tech Survey. My name is Shrutika and today we are back with another interesting video for people who love clicking pictures with their smartphones. So let's get started. Guys, we all love smartphone camera. But don't we miss some important features of DSLRs in smartphone camera? Like swapping the required lenses of the DSLRs so that we can get the best shot with the right one. Just imagine, what if we get the same setup with a smartphone camera? Yes guys, today's video is all about smartphone lenses. We can manually select different lenses over the camera sensor to get desired shots or videos. And that's why we have got these budget-friendly camera lenses just for you. Now before we start talking about these lenses and usage, let us see how easily we can clip this onto our smartphones. Just select the lens which you want to put on. Take it out of the lid cover. Place it on the clip by rotating it onto the clip. And now place this clip onto your smartphone. Now you will have to adjust it a little bit to fit exactly above your camera, as different smartphones will have their cameras placed on different places. Let's come back to its usage and check out the camera samples to understand what all it can do. So let's start with wide angle lens. Now we generally use wide angle to capture pictures of wider scenes, whether it be an establishing shot or a view of a scenery. We need wide angle lens for it. Now with this you can enlarge the scene with no image distortion, and it allows more of the scene to be included in the photograph. Now see the difference in the shots by normal camera lens and with the wide angle lens. Now let's come to a second lens, which is macro lens. Now it is like a small size microscope which helps you to focus on smallest objects that are hard to be captured by a normal smartphone camera. And with this, you can get clear and amazing shots like these, which will have all the details that you will need to have to complete your desired shots. Aren't these shots amazing, guys? Let's come to our next lens, which is fisheye. As the word fisheye comes to the mind, it means focusing on a particular subject. It can be slightly related to depth of focus. And we have two lenses for the fisheye view, extremely expanding the scope of the shooting. 180 degree and 235 degree fisheye can produce strong visual distortion and create a wide panorama or hemispherical image. Basically, it blurs or darkens the image at the sides in spherical shape. Here are a few sample shots which looks amazing with both these lenses. Also, the difference of both these lenses helps you to get different shots of the same image and makes it more interesting. Now the next lens is telephoto extender lens, or you can also say it's just a small size telescope. When you use your smartphone with this lens, it will multiply the image by 2 times. Also, it is better than the normal zoom option available on your smartphone, as you don't have to worry about the resolution loss. Let's see some of the sample shots to see the difference between a normal camera mode and with telephoto extender lens. Now, I'm sure you guys must have heard of the circular polarizing filter. It blocks scattered light from entering into the camera lens by reducing haze in your photos and increasing color saturation. This will make the picture clear. Now see some of the sample shots to see the difference between a normal lens and a CPL lens. So if you guys are really impressed by what you have just seen, I'm sure you all must be thinking how much will these lenses gonna cost you. So guys, it will cost you $750. Isn't that amazing guys? At just $750 you can get all these useful lenses and can have amazing photography sessions. Not just it will help you to get great pictures, but you can also clip these onto your smartphones to shoot your videos. Which is why we all on Tech Subway highly recommend these lenses to our viewers. It will really help you guys shoot like a pro. So guys, this was it from our today's video. Post in your queries or suggestions in the comments section. Also give us a like and share a video with your friends and family. And as usual, we are sharing the link to this product in case you want to buy this. And in case you are watching us for the first time, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos. Bye for now.